The floor buffer can be used for two main applications, either to wash a floor with the scrubbing brush using warm water and a detergent, or to buff a floor using a range of different buffing pads. The buffer should always be left in the upright position when not in use. To start, lie the machine back and put on either a buffing pad holder or a scrubbing brush. If putting on a pad holder, it is best to attach your nylon pad first. The pad holder or brush both attach in the same way. They sit onto the drive shaft and twist to the left with a jolt in an anti-clockwise direction to lock it into place. To remove it, simply jolt it in a clockwise direction. When you're ready to start, stand behind the machine. You will see two levers built into the handles and two levers below these. The bottom lever on the right will lower the handles into a comfortable working position. The ideal height is to have your arms straightish and the buffer handle at about waist height. This will give you the most control and will reduce the strain on your lower back. To start the machine, the two levers built into the handle will both activate the motor. Start in the middle of your floor, away from furniture and skirting boards. The second you activate the motor, the machine will start to pull away from you. Keep your arms relaxed and simply raise and lower the buffer handles a few inches to control the machine from left to right. Lift the handle a few inches, it'll go off to the right. Lower the handle a few inches, it'll go off to the left. It'll take about 5 seconds to get used to this action. Don't fight the machine, don't tense up your body and try to use strength to control it. You won't win. Keep your arms relaxed and remember, slightly up and down. If you panic, simply let go of the controls and the buffer will stop. When using the buffer to wash your floor, attach the brush in the same way. Onto the drive shaft and a quick twist in an anti-clockwise direction to the left. Only when the brush is on should you fill the solution tank with warm water and a detergent. Lower the handles to a comfortable working position. The other lever on your left hand side will control the release of the solution. Pull this lever to release the solution while using the rotating scrubbing brush. Use this lever sparingly. Apply a little water and use that on one area. Move to another area and apply a little more. Do not keep your hand on this lever or you will quickly empty the tank and you'll have water everywhere. When finished, raise the handles back up into the starting position. Always be aware of the cable and don't get it tangled in your feet or run overs with the machine. Fully unwind the cable when it's in use and keep it behind you. If you find that you have no power to the machine, check the socket first by plugging something into it. And failing that, then check the cable that runs from the handle to the motor. This can easily disconnect during transport